Marco loves food. He loves to eat, he loves to cook with his grandmother, and he especially loves to try new dishes. Today is Saturday, and Marco's family is going to his favorite restaurant for lunch. Marco, are you ready to go? Calls his mother from downstairs. Yes, Mom. I'm very hungry. Marco answers. He runs downstairs quickly because he is excited about lunch. Marco's favorite restaurant is called Tony's Family Kitchen. It is a small, cozy place with red and white checkered tablecloths and pictures of Italy on the walls. The restaurant smells like garlic, tomatoes, and fresh bread. Marco's family arrives at the restaurant at 12 o'clock. The restaurant is busy because many families come here for Saturday lunch. Good afternoon, says the waiter. Welcome to Tony's. How many people are in your party? 4 people, please, says Marco's father. We have a reservation under the name Rodriguez. The waiter smiles and leads them to a nice table by the window. Marco likes this table because he can watch the people walking on the street while he eats. The waiter gives each person a menu. Marco knows the menu very well because his family comes here often, but he still likes to look at all the choices. What would you like to drink? Asks the waiter. I would like orange juice, please, says Marco. His parents order coffee, and his little sister Maria orders apple juice. Marco opens his menu and looks at all the delicious options. Tony's Family Kitchen serves Italian food, which is Marco's absolute favorite type of cuisine. For appetizers, the restaurant has garlic bread, soup, and Caesar salad. Marco loves the garlic bread because it is warm and crispy with lots of butter and garlic. For main dishes, there are many types of pasta, pizza, chicken, and fish. Marco's eyes always go to the pizza section first because pizza is his favorite food in the whole world. Have you decided what you want to eat? Asks his mother. I think I want pizza, says Marco, but I cannot decide which kind. Marco reads the pizza options carefully. There is margarita pizza with tomato sauce and cheese. There is pepperoni pizza with spicy meat. There is vegetable pizza with peppers, mushrooms, and onions. There is also Hawaiian pizza with ham and pineapple. The pepperoni pizza sounds good, thinks Marco, but I also like the vegetable pizza. Marco's father always orders the spaghetti carbonara because he says it is the best in the city. His mother usually gets the chicken parmesan with a side salad. His little sister Maria always wants the same thing, macaroni and cheese. I have an idea, says Marco's mother. Why don't we order a large pizza to share? That way we can try different flavors. That's a great idea, says Marco. Can we get half pepperoni and half vegetable? Of course, says his father. And we can also order some garlic bread to start. When the waiter comes back, Marco's father places their order. We would like to start with an order of garlic bread, please. Then we would like a large pizza, half pepperoni, and half vegetable. Excellent choice, says the waiter. And what about salads? Can we have a Caesar salad to share as well? Asks Marco's mother. Certainly, says the waiter. Your garlic bread will be ready in about 10 minutes. While they wait for their food, Marco's family talks and enjoys their drinks. Marco loves spending time with his family at restaurants because everyone is relaxed and happy. The garlic bread arrives first. It comes on a wooden board with 6 pieces. The bread is golden brown and smells incredible. Marco takes a piece and bites into it. The bread is crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. This is so delicious, says Marco. The garlic butter is perfect. Next, the waiter brings their Caesar salad. It has crispy lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, and creamy dressing. Even though Marco usually doesn't love vegetables, he enjoys Caesar salad because the dressing makes everything taste good. Finally, their pizza arrives. It is huge and looks amazing. The pepperoni side has round slices of spicy meat and lots of melted cheese. The vegetable side has colorful red peppers, brown mushrooms, and white onions. This looks incredible, says Marco. His eyes are wide with excitement. The waiter cuts the pizza into 8 slices. Marco takes 1 slice of pepperoni pizza and 1 slice of vegetable pizza. He wants to compare the flavors. Marco bites into the pepperoni pizza first. The cheese is hot and stretchy. The pepperoni is slightly spicy and salty. The tomato sauce is sweet and rich. This is perfect, and thinks Marco. Then he tries the vegetable pizza. The vegetables are tender and flavorful. The peppers are sweet, the mushrooms are earthy, and the onions are mild. Marco is surprised that he likes the vegetables so much. Both kinds are delicious, says Marco. I cannot decide which one I like better. That's why it's good to try different things, says his mother. You might discover new favorites. Marco's family eats and talks for almost an hour. They share stories, laugh together, and enjoy their meal. Marco feels very happy and satisfied. When they finish the main course, the waiter asks, would you like to see our dessert menu? Marco's eyes light up. Do you have ice cream? Yes, we have vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream, says the waiter. I would like vanilla ice cream, please, says Marco. It is my favorite dessert. His sister Maria orders chocolate ice cream. Their parents decide to share a piece of tiramisu, which is an Italian coffee dessert. Marco's ice cream comes in a pretty glass bowl with a cherry on top. The ice cream is creamy, cold, and sweet. It is the perfect ending to a wonderful meal. This was an amazing lunch, says Marco as he finishes his ice cream. Thank you for bringing me to my favorite restaurant. We love coming here too, says his father. Good food and good company make the best combination. As they prepare to leave, Marco thinks about all the delicious food he ate today. The garlic bread, the pizza, the salad, and the ice cream were all perfect. But more than the food, Marco realizes that he loves sharing meals with his family. Food tastes better when you eat it with people you love, thinks Marco. Marco's family pays the bill and leaves a tip for their friendly waiter. As they walk home, Marco is already thinking about their next visit to Tony's family kitchen. Next time, I want to try the lasagna, says Marco. I heard it is really good too. Marco falls asleep that night with a full belly and a happy heart, dreaming about all the delicious food in the world.